Hand tools. Any of the implements used by craftspersons in manual operations, such as chopping, chiseling, sawing, filing, or forging. Hammer. A hammer is a tool, most often a hand tool, consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. This can be, for example, to drive nails. Pliers. Pliers are versatile tools that can be used for gripping, bending, cutting, and pulling. Screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool, manual or powered, used for turning screws. Wrench. A wrench or spanner is a tool used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects, usually rotary fasteners, such as nuts and bolts, or keep them from turning. Saw. A saw is a tool consisting of a tough blade, wire, or chain with a hard-toothed edge. It is used to cut through material, very often wood, though sometimes metal or stone. Axe. An axe is a hand tool with a sharp cutting edge on one side, and another side head is forged, and used for felling or cutting trees, and wood into pieces. Scissors. This tool is used for cutting cloth, paper, and other thin materials. Adjustable spanner. It is often used in conjunction with other tools like the adjustable wrench, screwdriver, hammer. Lug nuts. Wire, nail, bolt, flange, screw.